make it the size of the liner. We're gluing all of our fittings together. And we're gluing flex pipes on each end because there's going to be a pump here, so the vibration, you don't want it to do anything, and it just gives you a little bit of flex in case something settles. And to glue this, I used the purple primer, which you should always use. And then I actually used the Red Devil, but they call it Red Hot Blue Glue is the name of it, and it's blue. And the difference with the glues are you got clear, which gives you maybe 20 seconds, maybe even 30 seconds to move something. With the blue, you got 5 to 10 seconds. So you better have it right. Sometimes I'll put a mark on each fitting so when I'm putting it on, I know where it goes. And when you're gluing PVC, you stick it all the way in and just give it a little bit of a rotation and hold it in for 20-30 seconds. And the blue glue sets up that quick. And it's actually onto the bigger pipe. So like this is 1.5 inches, so if you're doing 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, the blue is really good for it. So that's just kind of how you do purple primer. And the blue glue, it's kind of messy, but we're covering all this up here anyhow, so nobody's ever going to see it after you see this video. I got to get back to work. See you later.
So this is our turtle pond habitat. We've actually enlarged the front lily pond, and we've got the underlayment for the liner before you put the liner on. We put in a flagstone retaining wall to keep the turtles in, and we'll be landscaping it after the liner goes in. Well, the waterfall liner's going in. Alan's trying to straighten it up over the water the waterfall's going to be. It's about quadrupled the size of the pond out here. And I'm sure the turtles are gonna love it. And Alan's sure done a nice job on it.
This is the turtle habitat we're working on. Instead of the shuttle bus, but I got the doors open on it. So it's taking a little break right now. This is the top waterfall here. And that's the skimmer over there, which sucks in water, collects all the leaves and stuff like that. And we'll continue building the rocks around it, and then we'll foam them in and try to hide all the liners, what you try to do. And then we're doing this wall to try to keep the turtles in. The wall will come over by the orange bucket, kind of this way by that little sign there. around front and tie in here to try to keep the turtles in there. We got tree turtles. Guess they're sliders. There's names for them too, but I don't know their names. But this is just an update on it. We'll catch you later on the next one. Bye.
Building up the rock walls. And hopefully we'll have the turtles in it in the next few days. So Alan's getting the smaller rock placed between the boulders. And it's looking really nice. So this is an update to the front pond that we put in, and Alan's done a beautiful job on it. And we've enlarged what was a small lily pond into what's going to be a painted turtle habitat for turtles and goldfish and frogs. You know, when you move in from the country, you want to bring a little bit of it with you. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And see you on the next upload.